Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the great Black Friday specials.
It's here.
It's finally arrived. So for a bit of background, Black Friday, despite popular belief, Black Friday is actually a business thing. It's migrated out of America, like a lot of things, and migrated its way over to Australia, and it's actually quite big over there and getting bigger and bigger in Australia. Now, traditionally Black Friday was the point where small businesses over there finally turned a profit. They finally moved into the black, hence why it's now called Black Friday. So they'd covered all their expenses for the year, if you like, and now from now through to the end of the year was actually where they finally made profit for the year. So that's a bit of background to Black Friday. Means nothing with what the specials we've got. So what do we got?
Lots of people have already headed to the links in the description because ours infamously sell out very quickly.
They do. So we are doing some what I think are incredible Black Friday specials over the whole weekend. I should say that as well. We're doing
not just
Black
today.
Friday. We'll have a new batch for Saturday, a new batch for Sunday, and a new batch for Cyber Monday. So 4 days of specials over the weekend. 4
different videos to come with it, and there will be some other ones that you might see pop up on our website. We'll have a little Black Friday tab as well, so they may not make it to a highlight in a video, but there will be some there, so continue to check them out over the weekend.
Yeah, that's it. Keep coming back and checking both YouTube and
our Black Friday spot on the website.
Yeah, alrighty. So to kick it all off, we are dealing with one of those other creatures I'm not a big fan of.
Yeah. Well, just a Perth Mint monster box as well, in not the mini monster box style, which you know I don't see too much of nowadays.
Yeah, that's right. So this Perth Mint funnel webs. So one of, as Ruben pointed out earlier, one of the most common faked coins out there.
I've seen a few of them, so I might have to show a quick shot here of me XRFing one just to prove that these ones are in fact the real deal, but they are very cool.
They
from 2015.
Yes. Yeah, so these ones are on special on the Black Friday special. You'll see the link above or down below, whichever way Ruben decides to go in the end. So we've got those for sale.
Very nasty spider, but a very cool coin.
Did we say how much over spot they were?
We have not yet. What deal are we doing?
These are being done at $5 over spot, which is a screaming bargain for a 2015 funnel web from the Perth Mint. We're also going to do, and I don't know which ones we've grabbed here.
We have grabbed a bit of a mixed bag because the idea of this one is that it is a random 1/10 gold. These are not buybacks, these ones. These ones are new.
They're brand new, still in their shrink wrapping, all that sort of stuff, even though the coding on them, I think the coding is random Perth Mint.
We'll move them to that though.
Yes.
So let's see what we've got. We've got, by the looks there's dragons, there's snakes, there's koalas. Very cool, and I think there might be some rabbits. I think we were going to get some rabbits as well. So yeah, bit of a mixed bag of 1/10 random Perth Mints.
Okay, and they are, correct me if I'm wrong, Rubes, $35 over spot.
$35, correct.
Over their spot price. So that's our Friday launch off specials for Black Friday. Stick around for the whole weekend. We will be doing them, as we said, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. There'll be different videos going up, and we're also going to sneak some ones up just straight to the website under the Black Friday banner, and we're not going to put a YouTube video on those, so just keep coming back, checking randomly over the weekend. You might be surprised at what you find and what price you find it at.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you for tomorrow's day of specials.
Sounds good. See ya.